read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? Are you waiting to learn something new? On this table, what is this? Orange and onion and octopus. Yes, you're right. Today, we are going to learn letter O. Its formation, sound and vocabulary words. Let's start. Start from the red dot. Go round, round, round and stop. Round, round, round and stop. It will make lowercase letter O. The letter name is O. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. Orange. O is for orange. O, O, O. O is for octopus. O, O, O. O is for onion. O, O, O. Very good. Now the octopus found an orange on the beach. Very good. Tell me one thing. How many O's are there in the above sentence? 1 in octopus, 1 and 2 in octopus, and in found, 3 in orange, 4 in on, 5. There are 5 O's in above sentence. Now tell me, what did the octopus find? Octopus found an orange. It's juicy, fresh, yummy. Now it's time to mime. Pretend to walk like an ostrich, bending your neck and say, oh, 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 oh. It's harder to walk like octopus, but we could try. Let's walk and say, oh, oh, oh. Very good. I hope so. You enjoyed today's lecture. That is about letter O. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.